Hello, everyone, and welcome to our exploration of Feel the Raw Power of Nature, ever caught on camera. Today, I invite you to join me on a journey through some of the most awe-inspiring and devastating moments our planet has ever recorded. These events capture nature in its rawest form, moments that are as humbling as they are alarming, and they remind us just how critical it is to be prepared for the unexpected. Natural disasters come in a myriad of forms, and their impact can often be measured in startling percentages. For example, studies have shown that in areas struck by earthquakes, up to 70% of vulnerable structures can suffer major damage, while regions with updated building codes can see casualty rates drop by nearly 40%. These numbers are not abstract, they represent lives saved and communities rebuilt through careful planning and robust safety measures. Consider the sheer force of hurricanes and typhoons. In many hurricane-prone regions, approximately 65% of homes are not adequately fortified against extreme winds and storm surges. Recorded events have shown wind speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour and flooding that affects over 60% of coastal areas, leaving behind trails of destruction. This is why early warning systems, regular evacuation drills, and well-maintained emergency kits are absolutely vital. Then there are tsunamis, nature's colossal waves triggered by undersea earthquakes. The catastrophic 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, which claimed more than 2,000 lives, obliterated up to 75% of coastal structures in some regions in just minutes. These figures highlight the necessity for advanced coastal defense systems and rapid response protocols, as even a few minutes delay can make the difference between survival and tragedy. Wildfires, too, have showcased nature's unbridled energy. In areas affected by wildfires, up to 60% of the land can be consumed during peak seasons. Research indicates that communities employing proactive fire mitigation strategies can reduce property damage by up to 30%. The overwhelming scenes of raging flames and dense smoke remind us that climate change and human impact together can ignite disasters that seem almost unstoppable. Flash floods offer another dramatic narrative of nature's power. In many urban areas, flash floods have been known to inundate up to 70% of streets in mere minutes, transforming everyday landscapes into dangerous waterways. Data shows that households with a comprehensive flood plan reduce potential damage by over 35%, underlining the importance of having a clear evacuation route and a well-stocked emergency kit. you're finding these insights as impactful as I do, please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription helps us build a community that's informed, resilient, and ready to face nature's challenges head on. And be sure to check out the link in the description below for our top recommended safety products. A comprehensive kit designed to keep you and your loved ones protected when disaster strikes. Now, let's talk about why these recorded moments matter so much. They are more than just dramatic visuals. They serve as crucial lessons in preparedness. When you witness the raw, unfiltered power of nature, whether it's the earth trembling beneath your feet or water surging over a familiar street, you're reminded that our environment is both magnificent and unpredictable. Even a 10% improvement in individual preparedness can lead to significant reductions in overall disaster impact. And communities that practice regular emergency drills often recover up to 40% faster than those that do not. Every disaster captured on camera is a powerful call to action. Ask yourself, do you have an emergency plan that covers all eventualities? Have you assembled a disaster supplies kit with enough provisions for at least 3 days? Do you know your local evacuation routes and the safest spots in your home? These are not just precautionary measures, they are essential steps that can dramatically improve your chances of survival and reduce the overall impact on your community. By feeling the raw power of nature through these unforgettable recordings, we learn that while we cannot control nature's fury, we can control how we prepare and respond. This preparedness transforms fear into action, turning vulnerability into strength. Thank you for joining me on this deep exploration of Feel the Raw Power of Nature Ever Caught on Camera. Please subscribe for more in-depth insights and practical advice on disaster preparedness. And remember, check the link in the description for our top recommended safety product, which could be your lifeline when the unexpected happens. Stay informed, plan ahead, and most importantly, stay safe.